Since 2004, Aisin Light Metals has been a driving force in the automotive industry. From right here in southern Illinois, Aisin Light Metals has claimed its spot above the competition as a Tier 1 supplier of extruded aluminum products in the demanding automotive manufacturing sector. Our two deep-rooted principles are the foundation of our success: delivering the highest quality parts to our customers and respecting the human resources that are the heartbeat of our operation. Team member safety is non-negotiable. With our impeccable safety record, we are proud to ensure a secure environment where our team can thrive. Innovation is in our DNA. In our advanced 4.5 acre facility, we create products from a variety of advanced aluminum alloys, employ unique proprietary processes, and push the boundaries of what's possible in automotive design. Every month, the team at Aisin Light Metals casts over 500 tons of aluminum billets and ships over 500,000 finished products, supplying partners like Toyota, Lexus, Dodge, Chrysler, and Honda. From raw material to finished product, Aisin Light Metals delivers excellence at every stage. Aisin Light Metals. We touch the future.